Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear Facebook Messenger cache if you're using the Android phone or iPhone. So the process is pretty much same. So first of all, open the settings of your mobile phone and inside the settings just go to general and just open iPhone storage. And once you're inside the iPhone storage, just scroll down and you just need to find the application which is called Messenger. But in the Android, you just need to go into the apps and find the application called Messenger. And once you have opened the Messenger application, like interface like this one, so you just need to click on in the iPhone, just click on offload app. This basically will remove all the cache and all the data inside the Messenger application. But that app will still be available inside your iPhone. So you just need to reinstall the application. But in the Android, you just need to go into the settings of the app and just clear cache, and you can also clear data as well. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can remove or clear the cache of Facebook Messenger in your iPhone or Android.